The health benefits of taking honey and cinnamon daily and a recipe to use this at home. 1. Honey and cinnamon have been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine and health booster. 2. By taking a small dose of these ingredients every day, you provide your body with some wonderful nutrients. 3. These nutrients include vitamin A, B6, C, E and K, also with calcium, sodium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, niacin, folate and riboflavin. 4. This often helps people to lose weight as they find their appetite begins to stabilize as they crave unhealthy foods less. 5. This mixture also provides a massive boost to the immune system. This fights off diseases and infections and makes you stronger. 6. It has also been linked to preventing cancer due to the powerful phytochemicals in raw honey. 7. In order to take this every day, you will need the following ingredients: 250 milliliters of hot spring water, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey. Method: mix together well and drink this on an empty stomach in the morning before breakfast. It is important that you use organic raw honey and Ceylon cinnamon as opposed to the more general cassia cinnamon. 8. The cinnamon will help to suppress your appetite and prevent you from overeating. 9. If you do find yourself craving snacks and are trying to lose weight, drink this mixture again between meals. 10. This will work wonders if you have a cold or flu infection, as the powerful antioxidants will kill the bacteria or virus quickly. 11. You can also drink this before and after exercising. They will give you an energy boost and cause your body to burn off more calories. 12. Honey and cinnamon have been shown to treat insect bites and itching skin. Simply mix them together and apply the paste to the problem area. 13. This can also lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. This makes it excellent for diabetics. 14. Honey is much healthier for the body than regular sugar, so I suggest replacing sugar in your diet with this for better health. 15. Drinking this mixture will also cause your hair to grow thicker, shinier and healthier due to the nutrient content. 16. It has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and actively fights bad cholesterol. 17. Taking Ceylon cinnamon regularly has been shown to help those suffering with Alzheimer's disease and improves mental function. 18. Some studies show that this can help to fight the HIV-1 virus. 19. Best of all, both of these ingredients are absolutely delicious and can be used on any of your regular foods to add sweetness and flavour. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.